mind. Good things come to those who wait. Patience is the whole point. Okay, time to head to the canyons while sun does its job taking care of my shorts. Okay, so walking down to the Zebra Slot Canyon. We parked our cars over there. We came in from there, and as I said, 8 miles, 7.5 to 8 miles, there was not really road. It was a dirt road. Some part of it was really bad for the shocks and suspensions of the car, so you better have a better car if you're coming out here. So we're walking down all the way over there, and it's around 2.5 miles walk before we get into the Zebra Slot Canyon. Let's see how does it go. Things you need to know. Do you have 4 liters of water per person? Have you checked the water weather forecast? Flash floods and extreme heat kill. And no trail. Most routes are not well marked. It's easy to get lost. And if you answered no to any of these questions, turn around. Now we're on our way. Sun is blazing, but temperature is okay. Under the sun, of course, it's always gonna be hotter, warmer, but as a cool breeze is keeping us cool, comfortable. But you have to make sure to keep yourself hydrated. We're heading towards Zebra Slot Canyon, and make sure you check the weather forecast, temperature, because it's not unusual for these canyons to get flooded. A little bit of a rain and the water seeps down these canyons, which can be deadly, dangerous, and you're far away from help. 2.5 miles down into the wilderness, desert. So always make sure you have all the information, you have enough water on you, your gear is appropriate, you have this pole, you have proper shoes, you have proper breathable shirt, your pants or shorts, whatever can, because these canyons do have water in it. So if you have, and you probably would have to walk through the water, so you want something that can dry off quick enough. These hydrating reservoirs are very important. In your bag, one can contain up to 2 liters of water. How much more do you think?
You're about 2/3, so about another third.
Okay, good to know that.
Probably 20 minutes.
Oh, wonderful. Great,
to Zebra,
thank you.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. That the lady was talking about. And let's see, you can push them open.
Hey.
Hello there.
How's it going?
Yeah.
Zebra is that way?
It's that way.
All right. How much further you would say?
3/4 of a mile, maybe, no, half a mile, 3/4
Yeah,
mile.
not far.
Okay.
But
Okay.
once the trail ends, if you take a left, you won't really miss it because it's like the riverbed just kind of ends up in it.
Okay. Icing on the cake. You're tired, exhausted, and then you have this sand. That's how you go in. so tight over there. I'm not sure I can get through. It's very tight. Oh, I should lose some weight. Yay! Oh, holy cow. Well, pounds don't matter if you have motivation and friends around you to shame you. Wow. They say
right here.
They say it's tighter than this. So
Yes.
and it's getting darker and it's a longer walk. So I don't think it's a good idea. I think this much adventure is fun. Is that right, Chi?
Yeah.
Is it right, sir?
Yes.
So there are 3 yeses and we go back.
This spout you can give your feet a rest.
As you saw, there were some of the very, very tight spots. Very petite people also were struggling to pass through. And then towards the end, we were told that it gets further narrower, so I don't think it was worth it. And also it's getting dark, so you don't want to be stuck out here in the canyon, in the remote areas. Not the best way to go. I made it back. I did. It was fun. It was worth it. If I have to do it again, in a heartbeat.